switch. This is your CPU from a shack, and the driver board from the shack also. And you're having trouble with the switch matrix. Well, I've cobbled together this all these wires. I put twist ties on them or zip ties on them later, but I'll go through the switch matrix for you. There's nothing wrong with this switch matrix. I'm going to go through row 1. Row 0 works fine too. It's just that switch 3 is like a credit button or a slam switch or something. So that's fine for that. Now let me switch this over to get the higher column switches. So I got a different dongle on there now. This is columns 0 through B. There's nothing wrong with either one of these. So I'm going to get this back to you. Thanks very much.